There are a lot of different jobs within civil engineering. Whether it's power production or the dirt boys, they're all important when it comes to fixing the airfield. Today, U.S. Airmen work with other countries to make those repairs.
We've had a training exercise involving the U.S. Air Force, the Republic of Singapore Air Force, and some observers from the Republic of Korea Air Force. We can't always be everywhere. We can't always provide the size of the force that we need. So it's important that we develop their capabilities.
This isn't just a time to practice with other countries involved. It's a chance to see how they get it done.
I think it was magnificent to bring those guys here. Like, they're dirt boys as well, you know, in their Air Force. It was really surprising to see how much we have in common.
Even though there are a lot of different people from different countries doing different jobs, it all adds up to keeping the airfield ready. Senior Airman Brayton Metzger, Osan Air Base, Korea.